Morning, people. Morning, Christmas morning. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. What I have here this morning is some chicken wings. I'm gonna cut them right here. Right here. Take off the part that looks like the leg. Take off the tip. And I'm going to do some French fries. French fried. They are still frozen. And you have to get off them area. Yeah, some ear dip on it, see there? Clean it up. Then I will clean it up. Still frozen. I'm gonna get up so early if you start cook. I'm gonna do some green gongo rice and peas. There, we need some tough. And over here I have some goat. I did goat tough. Outside. The goat are rock. I know I put them at the bottom of the fridge. I'm going to cook some curry goat and some French fried chicken wings. Yeah, French fried wings and curry goat. Why am knowing this I done today? Anyway, I'm going to throw some water on this. I'm going to put some water on the mutton, see if it will melt. And then make one do the put up the wings. Alright. Yeah. I'll clean it up, see? Feather. Take off the feather then and clean it up. Cut it right in here. Right in here, so. Take off this part. Then take off the tip. Just like what they do it at KC. I'm gonna make some wings and some curry mutton. The mutton tofu. Alright. I think I want some more water. Let the mutton go and melt. And I'm going to do the wings. Cut up the wing and season it up. Here, people. So I've taken off the wing tips. Yeah. Use this, cut it right here. This look like the leg. Yeah. Taking off the wing tips. And use the leg part. And these part too. Alright. Yeah. And wash with vinegar. Now I'm going to put some Maggi and some jerk. Alright. Maggi all purpose. And I'm going to put some jerk too. Alright. You can blend. You can blend your natural season, scallion, thyme, onion, garlic. You can blend the seasoning in the blender and season up your wings. You can just cut the scallion, onion and everything and rub it in. Rub it in. Make sure your hands are clean. Yeah, you never see me wash mine, but I wash it. So your hands are clean. You can rub in the blend up seasoning. Yeah, I'm gonna blend some and add it to it. I'm gonna blend up some garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet. I'm gonna blend them and add them to this and put it to marinate. Alright. And then I'm going to look about my goat. And some of that same blended season you can put on the goat, save some for the goat. But now I'm going to look about the goat and I'm going to blend some seasoning. Alright, this one come back. Alright people, I throw some curry. Burn some butter for curry and I add. Alright. That's enough. Really, I think that's enough. Alright. I'm not using the pressure today. I just cook the goat without any pressure, alright? No pressure cooker today. And just cook the goat in the pot, alright? Yeah. Cover it down, let it sweat some water before anything in there. Alright? Now cover it down first. Make that pot cover them. Rinse it off for me. Alright, so we're going to make the goat sweat a little before we put any water on it, alright? You sweat out some more water. And you throw a little bit of water on it. When that dry out, you throw some more. And we'll continue throwing until the goat is tender. I'm going to season it up, re-season it with some scallion and thyme and so forth. Alright, just gonna pour some water, not too much now. Alright. When this dry down, I put some more. Not put too much water. Alright, just gonna continue. I'm just gonna continue tipping. Little bit of water, little bit when that dry out, I continue throw little bit until it is tender. I'm going to re-season the pot, alright? Yes, people. The water simmer down. So re-season it with scallion and thyme. Scallion and thyme, yeah. Re-season it. Make him simmer down, alright? Scallion and thyme. Onion, scotch bonnet, and make him simmer down. Alright people. Alright. Goat ready. I want to tell you. Goat ready. I'll fry some chicken, green gungo rice and peas. Alright, see that? Goat ready. I want to goat dry out too much, see that? Alright. Goat ready. The people may have some green gungo. No, this now go take no time for cook. Yeah, I go season it up. Throw in a coconut milk. Yeah. Alright. It's not gonna take no time to cook. Green gungo. Alright, steam I give it probably. Woo! Woo! Steaming. Alright. When this cook, we will season it up and put in some coconut milk, scallion and thyme, scotch bonnet. Alright, so go work on the fried chicken, you know. Alright, people. I'm gonna fry some chicken. I have some flour here. I'm going to add some powder seasoning to it. You can add some seasoning. Don't put too much seasoning in the flour. I know you don't want it. Salt. Alright, so I'm gonna add some jerk to it and some baking powder to get that crispy chicken. Alright, if you want the chicken to be crispy and nice, add some baking powder and some seasoning to the flour. Alright. You can make an egg wash. I have some sinus problems and my allergies don't really like egg, peanuts, and those are cheese, cow's milk. Those are things that I like to drink, but and eat. Things that I like to drink and eat. Those things raise up my allergy, and so egg is good for me, but I can't eat egg regularly. All right, so I stay away from the egg. No egg wash. All right, so I'm just going to use my flour to dust my chicken. All right, and just fry the chicken. Not going to use any egg wash today, but you can break some eggs, 1, 2, and the amount of eggs you want to break according to the amount of chicken. And then you would dip your chicken in the egg wash and then dip it in your flour and then fry. But today I'm going to use only seasoned flour and baking powder. Baking powder in the flour, all right? Yes, so I'm going to put a little tip of powder seasoning, a little jerk, a little Maggi, and some baking powder. If you can see, I put a small amount of seasoning in the bag. Not much. Yeah, you can see the seasoning down there. Not much. Alright, don't want it to salt. A little jerk and some baking powder. Alright, I'm gonna add some baking powder to this. Then I'm going to close my bag and shake it up. Shake it up. Alright, shake up everything. And then it's ready as a shake to shake my chicken in. Make sure everything shake up properly. Put my chicken in. Yeah, people, chicken are fry now. Yeah, man, chicken are fry. You see it? And goat ready. Or goat ready. You can eat. Warm up that when you're ready. Chicken are fry. I'm gonna check on the rice. Bongo rice. Yeah, people, the wings them ready, you know. I will look about some salad, you know. Yeah, some vegetables to go with the food. Curry goat, French fry wings, bongo rice and peas. Yeah, wings them ready. So right now, right about now, I'm gonna check on the gungo rice and peas. All right, people, rice and peas, gungo rice and peas. Mm, look like you're about ready now. So I'm gonna look about some salad. Yeah, need some vegetables now. Yes, people. Christmas dinner. French fry wings, curry goat, salad, gungo rice and peas. Um, some salad dressing if you like salad dressing, Thousand Island if you like salad dressing, and I have here a bottle of the good old Jamaican sorrel. Yeah, man, you have a bottle of sorrel. Well, me start drink it long time still. Red label and rum can't resist. So me start drink it long time. All right, but I give you a next side view.